Most people confuse movement with progress, noise with momentum, reaction with power. I learned early. The loudest man in the room is usually the one searching for footing. Stillness isn't hesitation. It's selection. I don't move because the world is loud. I move when the moment is right. Because control doesn't announce itself. It arrives quietly and changes the temperature of the room. I've seen men burn energy chasing attention, talking, proving, reacting. Every response pulling them further from center. I choose something different. I choose restraint. Not because I lack hunger, but because I understand timing. There's a discipline in not responding, a strength in watching, a power in letting others reveal themselves while you remain unmoved. Stillness sharpens perception. You hear what matters. You see what's real. When everything slows down, truth speeds up. I don't rush decisions. I weigh them. I let silence do its work until the answer presents itself. Because clarity doesn't come from chaos. It comes from composure. This isn't about being calm for the sake of calm. This is controlled fire. A steady burn. Every move measured. Every step intentional. Nothing wasted. The pause deliberate. The breath is steady. The posture says enough without asking for permission. I don't need to dominate space. I command it by how little I disturb it. That's the difference. Some men chase moments. Others build presence. I don't react to noise. I outlast it. Because silence has weight. And stillness carries authority. What looks slow to the untrained eye is precision at work. You don't see calculation. You only feel the outcome. This is the discipline of waiting. The confidence of knowing that when I move, it will matter. No excess. No performance. No panic. Just composure refined through repetition. Stillness isn't absence. It's readiness. And when the moment calls, there's no hesitation. Only execution. This is stillness over noise. This is controlled presence. This is a man who moves with intent. This is Ritual POV.